The whispers and teasers about the revived Subaru 360 van for 2026 have finally solidified into concrete details, and it's turning heads across the auto world. The new 360 maintains the micro-van form factor but steps into the modern era with a design that pays homage to its retro roots while integrating contemporary lines and lighting elements. The rounded, minimalist front fascia echoes the original's charm, and its compact dimensions are tailored for dense city streets where parking and maneuverability are premium. Early images show LED headlamps tucked into softly curved panels, along with a subtle grille and clean surfaces that hint at both nostalgia and futuristic ambition. Underneath the body, the 2026 360 is expected to be built on a lightweight, modular platform that supports electrification. Reports suggest it will launch as an electric vehicle, with modern battery technology and efficient drive systems. While exact specifications remain unconfirmed, speculation from industry insiders points toward a modest but capable power output, enough to make it zippy in urban environments without overreaching. Range projections are anticipated in the ballpark of what typical city EVs offer, though Subaru has not officially confirmed any figures. The ambition is to balance usability, cost, and range so it is practical for daily commuting and errands. Inside, the 360 van is described as compact but surprisingly clever. Given its micro dimensions, space efficiency becomes paramount. Expect a cabin with minimalist layout, likely using digital displays, intuitive controls, and a utilitarian but modern aesthetic. The interior materials are speculated to be a combination of sustainable plastics and lightweight composites, possibly with options for eco-friendly trim finishes. Seating will be oriented for 2 to 4 passengers depending on configuration, and clever packaging will aim to maximize headroom and storage despite the small footprint. Technologies such as connectivity, driver assistance, and maybe even modular cargo configurations may be part of its appeal in urban settings. In terms of features and tech, Subaru seems intent on offering more than just a nostalgic nod. Early leaked reports suggest the inclusion of advanced driver assist systems, perhaps scaled versions of Subaru's EyeSight or related safety tech adapted for the small platform. Connectivity and infotainment are likely to be modern, with touchscreen interfaces, smartphone integration, and over-the-air update capabilities. There's also talk of modular cargo variants. Imagine a van version or micro-delivery model, aimed at last-mile logistics in crowded cities. Some concept sketches leaked in auto press circles hint at sliding side doors, configurable cargo floors, and easily modifiable interiors. On the pricing front, Subaru appears to target this 360 van as an accessible, entry-level EV. The idea is to keep costs low by simplifying the platform and cutting unnecessary complexity, while still delivering style, safety, and enough tech to compete with other affordable urban EVs. While no official MSRP is out, speculation places it below many mainstream compact EVs, to appeal to budget-minded buyers and fleet customers. The strategy looks to leverage volume and simplicity rather than margin maximization. As for market positioning and launch scope, Subaru seems to be focusing first on markets with strong urban density, EV infrastructure, and demand for compact vehicles. Japan and parts of East Asia are natural starting points, given local familiarity with microcars and limited space. Expansion into Europe or niche markets in North America or other continents is possible, depending on regulatory alignment, consumer interest, and infrastructure readiness. Leaks suggest a launch window sometime in late 2025 or early 2026, with initial limited availability before scaling up production. What's especially exciting about the 360's revival is the blending of heritage and innovation. Fans of the original model will see familiar cues in the body lines, while modern drivers get a fresh experience suited for today's urban mobility challenges. The balance of retro styling with current technology could make this a standout in the micro-EV segment. The success of the 2026 Subaru 360 will ultimately depend on execution, especially on range, price, and practicality. But the early signs are promising. As more official spec sheets, driving reviews, and regional launch plans emerge, this might